Thirsties Booty Love Diaper Ointment, 2 ounce by Thirsties, is one of the best sellers among changing table pads products. Use this diaper ointment between diaper changes and after baths to soothe and prevent diaper rash. Contains certified organic oils to moisturize and nourish your baby's sensitive skin and natural herbs to relieve dry skin and rashes. Can also be used to aid in the healing of minor cuts, burns and skin irritations. The mission of Thirsties, Incorporated, is to make it easy and affordable for every family to choose cloth while simultaneously investing in the manufacturer's local economy and sustainable business practices. The manufacturer are very proud of the fact that all Thirsties products are manufactured in Colorado, USA, by a group of very talented individuals, many of whom are moms who work in the comfort and convenience of their own homes. The manufacturer delights in the opportunity to sell products that contribute to a happy and healthy start for your children while helping to minimize your baby's first carbon footprints. Proudly manufactured in the USA, soothes and prevents diaper rash. Moisturizes and nourishes baby's sensitive skin. Certified organic by Oregon Tilth. Does not contain petroleum or other ingredients which coat fibers and cause diapers to repel moisture and hold odors.